Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial on how to add song on the story. Let's begin. First, I want you to tap on the Instagram app right here. Once your Instagram app is open, I want you to tap on this plus icon right here on the top right side corner. Tap here. You will see options like post, story, reel, live. Tap on story right here. And once you tap on the story, there will be like a gallery will show up. You can scroll down and select any photo or video that you want to add on story and add song on it. For example, I'm gonna tap on this cat picture. You can adjust however you like. So I'm just gonna add song on the story now. To do it, you have to swipe up on the screen like this. Just swipe up with your finger. You'll see options like location, mention, hashtag, and there's a music option under question. You just have to tap on music. Now you will see a list of songs recommendations by Instagram for you. You can search, you can go through all this music to add, or you can just simply search music. If you have a song in your mind, then just tap on search music. Type in any song name. Suppose I'm just gonna randomly type in rain. Okay, now you will see list of songs will show up. I will just tap on rainy mood. Alright, so okay, so once you have added a song on your story, tap on done. Okay, now once you have done, tap on done. You have to tap on your story right here on the bottom left side. Tap here. Now wait for a while for this story to be uploaded. To check if this story is successfully uploaded or not, tap on the profile icon right here on the bottom right side. Tap here. Okay, so once your page is uploaded, profile page is uploaded, I want you to tap here on the profile icon right here, where you can see a red color kinda ring shape. Tap here. So it says posting right here. So now this story is being uploaded. Now wait for a while for this story to be uploaded. Okay, so see guys, the story is uploaded and this is how we do it. I hope this video helps you guys to add song on a story. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.